Nakakalungkot na balita dahil ang Alrim platform nagbigay na nga ng statement na kung saan may cancellation notice tayo sa Simula't Wakas World Tour sa Riyadh. Due to unforeseen circumstances, we regret to announce that SB19 Simula't Wakas in Riyadh, KSA, scheduled for October 9, 2025 at Intercontinental Durat Al Riyadh has been cancelled. Those who have purchased tickets will receive a full refund to their original payment method. We will provide official notice in the event that Riyadh becomes part of the next tour. We apologize for any inconvenience caused and we thank you for your understanding. Ilang minuto lamang nag-post na nga ang 1Z Entertainment Management Team ng SB19. Cancellation notice. It is with deep regret that we must inform you of the cancellation of the SB19 Simula't Wakas concert in Riyadh, KSA, scheduled for October 9 at the Intercontinental Durat Al Riyadh. Unforeseen circumstances have led us, together with our partners and producers, to make this difficult decision. We understand how much this event meant to you, and we share in your disappointment. For those who purchased tickets, we want to assure you that you will receive a refund for your original payment method. We appreciate your understanding and supporting during this time and will keep you updated if Riyadh is included in future tour plans. Thank you for your continued loyalty to SB19. Ayan na nga. So, nakakalungkot na balita lalong-lalo na sa mga 18 na nag-book pa ng flight, nag-book pa ng ticket, early ticket. Excited na talaga para makita dahil ilang tulog na lamang no? Riyadh tour na sana nila. Kaso, may hindi inaasahang pangyayari. Hindi masyadong malinaw kung ano nga ba yung punot dulo o rason kung bakit ikakansela ang nasabing tour nila sa Riyadh. Pero, kumbaga mahigpit na yakap sa 5 dahil syempre gustong talaga nila yung mga fans nila maabot nila, ma-reach out nila, makapag-perform talaga sila ng all out, ng personal, 'di ba? Kaya nakakalungkot din sa 5 ito for sure dahil ika-cancel nila itong Riyadh tour nila because of the unforeseen happenings or circumstances. So sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam na kumbaga may nag-book ng ticket dito sa Riyadh tour inform ko lang kayo guys, mga 18 na yun na nga, hindi na nga matutuloy at canceled na nga ang tour nila sa Riyadh. Kaya ayun naman, sa mga 18 na nag-book, you will receive an email daw kung paano nyo ma-refund ng full amount using your payment method kung paano kayo nag-book. Sana sa ibang mga tour nila just like in Dubai and all, sana hindi na ito maulit dahil syempre yung kagustuhan talaga nila ma-reach out lahat ng mga 18 pero talagang sadyang ganito talaga ang mga nangyayari when it comes to touring, no? Yung ganyan, schedule, mga hindi inaasahang pangyayari. Yan. So yung background natin, ito yung performance nila during Hong Kong, which is nandun ako at yan na nga yung performance nila. So hopefully no, sa mga next tour nila, positive lang tayo na sana matuloy lahat ng mga tour dates. And that's it for now. This has been Jay Kumanangan TV. Thank you for watching.